Welcome to ZN TV channel. Please like, subscribe and share.
Allah's most merciful and beneficent, guys. We are standing today at the one of the most highest place, public place of Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir. This is the Satra Park where we are standing. So we will go inside the park and we will show you the whole city view in one shot. So let's go inside. Stay with us. So we are going inside the Satra Park. On the right side, this is the walking track. Nadir will show you. This is the track. By this track, you have to walk for almost 25 to 30 minutes, and you will reach the main road, the Bank Road, and the Tanga Stand area of the city. So it's a rainy atmosphere here, and we are going to start the shoot so quickly. So we have to stop it. This is the Hillview restaurant, but it is closed this time. So let's go to the spot. Destination, and we will go near that pole and we will see the whole city view. So come with us. Just have a look on this view. Quaid-e-Azam Bridge, Neelam Bridge, Bank Road, MDA Plaza. That's the bus stop station. Neelam School. So guys, this is the edge point of the Satra Park and we have reached this destination. This is the place where you can see and you can feel this atmosphere. It's so peaceful and you can see the whole community living in the Muzaffarabad city. It's almost 50 to 60% of the community living there. On the right side, this is the area known as the Medina Market area, and this is known as the Bank Road area. This is the Neelam River. That's a bridge. This is the Army Public School set up, Neelam School. This is the area of the other areas like Sethi Bagh, Shaukat Line, and these are the areas. This is the Nurul Stadium area, and this is the bridge, and that was the Naluchi Bridge. And on the top of that hill, if you can see that, this is the PC Hotel, Muzaffarabad Pearl Continental Hotel. On the left side, those are the presidencies, the parliamentary areas, the people and government servants are living. That was the mosque that was built by our Turkish community and our Turkish government. And this is the rest house that you can see with the red top up of the area. So this is the whole area, airport area, other areas that's names are very difficult to call, but this is the somewhere you can see that. If you can see that downside, the people were loading the sand and the people were lifting their cars by putting stones besides the tires of the jeep. So guys, this is what we are telling you, that we have to see the Muzaffarabad city. This is a one aspect of the video. If you want to visit and if you want to view the best scenes, you can also come here in the night mode, because these are just like the shining stars, different colors of lights of houses and other areas. So Nadir will show you a last view from the top of the mountains from right to left side. So guys, last but not the least, if you come closer to me please. If you want to come here, I will guide you for some track. If you came from the Muzaffarabad area, when entering into the Muzaffarabad, you have to cross that bridge then you have to cross that bridge, and then you will come to this road. Then you have to choose the road of Jalalabad Garden. The Jalalabad Garden is downside there. That one was the Jalalabad Garden. We will go there after this video and show you them. So stay with us, stay happy, stay bright and very clean. Make your city clean. Love you all. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel, like, comment.